Hello, my name is Gina D. Tate and I'm the Children's Librarian at the West Carrollton branch of the Dayton Metro Library. And today I'm going to read a book that includes a recipe of one of my favorite foods. This is When Grandma Gives You a Lemon Tree by Jamie L.B. Denahan, illustrated by Lorraine Rocha. There's Grandma. You are hoping for one of these. Here's your birthday wish list: a robot dog, a drone, a computer, a phone, a remote control car, or some headphones. But surprise, it's a lemon tree. What should you do when Grandma gives you a lemon tree for your birthday? First of all, act excited. Your face should look like this. Not like this. And definitely not like this. Next, say something polite. Try, "Thank you, just what I needed." Keep smiling until Grandma leaves or falls asleep. And do not harm your lemon tree. Don't drop it off a bridge. Don't tie it to your birthday balloons. Don't play ding dong ditch the lemon tree. So don't leave it at your neighbor's. Dear neighbor, happy lemon tree day. Now listen closely, this is important. Place your lemon tree in a sunny spot. Be careful not to overwater. And she's protecting it with an umbrella. And prepare for battle against intruders, like slugs. When winter arrives, keep your lemon tree warm. Then wait, and wait, and wait some more. It's getting pretty big. Once the snow melts, it's time to bring your lemon tree back outside. Well done. Sure, you can decorate your lemon tree or hide behind it. Come out wherever you are. But you know what's even more fun? Picking lemons. Woohoo! Pick them, slice them, squeeze them. Come on, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze-a-roo. Ta-da! Now you have lemon juice. You don't think I'd just leave you with lemon juice, did you? Of course not. Remember those gifts you were hoping for? It's good you're staying focused. There's that wish list for her birthday. Gather these items: lemon juice, water, a pinch or handful of sugar, and flashy lemonade stand. Cue a dazzling smile and ka-ching! Count your cash and head to the store. Now you can finally buy exactly what you want. The store has all kinds of things like the robot dog and computers. Wonder what you'll buy. Something you really enjoy. Here's what she bought on her wagon. Looks like she bought a whole bunch of flowers and plants. And share with others too. A beautiful garden. The neighborhood looks like that, with all the pretty flowers. Boy, that book sure made me hungry. Let's see what my friend Emily Callan at the Dayton Children's Hospital is cooking up for us to eat.
Hello everybody, my name is Emily Callan and we're in Dayton Children's Community Teaching Kitchen, and today we're making lemonade from When Grandma Gives You a Lemon Tree. So I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your lemons. Now what I did was I got my lemons from the grocery store, and all you want to do is roll them with a firm pressure against the table, against your cutting board, and that will start to pop some of the pulp in there so that we can get as much juice out of these lemons as possible. Now all I'll do is I'll have your adult, or you if you're comfortable using knives, cut the lemon right in half. And there's two ways we can squeeze lemons. One, we can just squeeze them over the bowl using all of our muscles that we have. I'm using a strainer. You don't really have to use this, but that's to catch any seeds that might come. You can just pull those out afterwards if you like. Now I'm doing this with clean hands, so any juice that might be running over my fingers I'm not worried about. So I'm squeezing it as hard as I can. to get as much juice out of the lemon as I can. I'll do that with the other side. So for this recipe, we're gonna get the juice out of 4 lemons. Use 1/3 cup of sugar in 4 cups of water. So 4 lemons, 1/3 cup of sugar, 4 cups of water, and then we'll add some ice to make it nice and sweet. So as you can see, right, I have the juice of my 1 lemon here and some of the pulp and the seeds from the other one. The other thing you can use, if you have one at home, is a little machine or a little kitchen gadget. And this is literally just a citrus juicer. So again, I'm gonna roll my lemon on the counter and then cut it in half. And then all you do to use this is you take your lemon and you press it down and twist. And that will get even more juice out. So this is a good little fun tool to use at home if you want. And can make juicing the lemons a little bit easier and get kind of more of that pulp out. So that's 1/2. That's the other. Still got to use your muscles though. All right, so now that we have all of our lemon juice done, I'm going to pour this into my water, and I'm just straining it real quick. Make sure we get all that lemon juice out, or all the seeds, or any extra pulp. All right, so we have our 4 lemons in. And then we're gonna do 1/3 cup of sugar. So this is just white sugar. And then we have to stir until it's dissolved. So you're gonna have to stir a lot. Really get that dissolved. Probably need to stir for about a couple minutes to get all that sugar dissolved. And then we're gonna pour our ice in. Now, when you're making this lemon juice, you can totally make it your own. Are there other fruits in here that you think would be tasty? What if you did lemon and orange juice, or lemon and strawberry juice? Or you could, if you have any herbs at home, so something like a fresh basil leaf, right? You could crinkle it between your fingers and throw it in the water, or a fresh mint leaf and put it in the water. That could add a new and different flavor to your lemonade. All right, so now that this is nice and stirred, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of ice in here to make it nice and cool. Put my lid on, and now I'll try my lemonade. We'll pour a little bit in our cup. Let's give it a taste. Refreshing. I think that's the perfect sweetness. I think 1/3 cup really works. Now, because this is a sugar sweetened beverage, we want to make sure this is a sometimes beverage for us. So maybe you'll serve it with some barbecue chicken when you're grilling out, or serving it with any special occasion. But let's make sure our lemonade is a once in a while beverage that we have. All right, we'll see you next time.